Are you a fan of natural products? Then, you certainly have heard about natural deodorants, right? But did you know that you can make your own deodorant at home using natural products? Making your own natural deodorant is a great alternative for sustainable consumption. Besides being cheaper, you will also avoid the chemical products found in most industrialized deodorants. Natural deodorants can be as efficient as their industrialized versions if their components have the same properties to inhibit odor and fight bacteria. The biggest issue with deodorants bought at the supermarket or drugstores is that they contain substances, such as propylene glycol, parabens, fragrances, aluminum, and alcohol, which, although approved by the FDA, still have negative impacts on our health. Each one of these compounds has a specific function and also its contraindications. So, let's see how to make a homemade deodorant using only bactericide and fungicide ingredients with pleasant smells. In this recipe, we will use milk of magnesia and essential oils, or organic coconut oil. Milk of magnesia is alkaline, which helps fight the acidity of sweat. It interrupts the proliferation of bacteria that cause a bad smell in the armpits. This ingredient has deodorant properties, helps reduce the oiliness and acidity of the skin, and restores its shine. This deodorant, besides its bactericide action essential for eliminating bad smells, will also hydrate your skin. Ingredients: 1.7 ounces. Milk of magnesia, 1.7 ounces water. 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Some popular combines are lavender, rosemary, rose and sandalwood or organic coconut oil. 1 empty roll-on bottle. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. How to make it: add all ingredients to the empty roll-on bottle, mix, and it is ready. The mixture is more liquid than most traditional deodorants, but it dries quickly on the skin. You can also use only milk of magnesia as a natural deodorant, applying some of the product directly on your armpits. However, it may leave white spots or little bits of powder on your skin after drying. Now you can use your natural deodorant. But attention! Never use this deodorant right after shaving your armpits, as it will obstruct the pores and follicles, which may cause folliculitis, a skin infection caused by bacteria or fungi. Wait 1 or 2 days before you start using it. Lastly, do you want to drop 15 pounds in a month? Then take our sponsor Keto Challenge now. And get free ebook and much more. Link is in bio.